Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pheasant back mushrooms. First, select young, tender mushrooms, as older ones can be tough. Begin by gently cleaning your pheasant back mushrooms. Use a damp cloth to wipe away any dirt or debris from their surfaces. Next, carefully trim off any woody or overly firm parts, especially near the stem and outer edges. This ensures a pleasant texture in your final dish. You want to keep only the tender, edible portions. Once cleaned, it's time to prepare them for cooking. Slice your pheasant back mushrooms into uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/4 inch in thickness. This helps them cook evenly. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat until shimmering. Add the sliced mushrooms to the hot pan and sauté them for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and tender texture. To elevate the flavor, consider adding aromatics. During the last minute or two of sautéing, incorporate 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 small shallot, or fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary. For an extra layer of depth, deglaze the pan with about 1/4 cup of white wine or vegetable broth, scraping up any brown bits. Finally, season your delicious mushrooms with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, ensuring a perfect balance. Now that your pheasant back mushrooms are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. They make an excellent, earthy side dish on their own. You can also incorporate them into a variety of meals, such as fluffy omelets, hearty pasta dishes, or rich, creamy risottos. For a final touch, garnish your prepared mushrooms with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley or chives to add a pop of color and a hint of freshness. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.